Good afternoon, everyone. It is the Friday makeup for English 7 C here on January 16th at KIT Iizuka campus. We'll take a look at some of the stuff that you have to do today and then get right on to working on it. Okay. We have a couple of assignments that I want to do. One of them is the shadowing for this article here, which actually I've already set up. It's called Social Media Trap. But we're going to be accessing that in a bit. And I also want to do the Quizlet material for not Social Media Trap, but for Quizlet for the chapter 11 and chapter 12 for the textbook. Because this is actually going to be for your vocabulary quiz number 6. And because we have a little bit of extra time today, I thought we could do that as well. Don't forget that your walking video number 2 will be due on January 26th. I've put up these 3 links to help you figure out how to do that walking video. Those 3 links will connect you up to the walking video rubric and how to make walking videos and the sample video. We already did that a couple of weeks ago, but just don't forget, it's due on January 26th. There's one new, and you have your vocabulary quiz number 6, so don't forget that. That's also due on January 26th. It's a quiz, so you have 3 chances to take it. And there's also this, the cruise semester feedback. If you've ever taken my class before, you know that I like to hear from you directly to me about what you think about the class. Now, I don't know who will answer in what because your names are not connected to the feedback. I don't know who it is. So you can answer me honestly. And there are only 2 questions, okay? If you want, you can answer in Japanese, but I'd rather have you answer in English. But because I want you to tell me honestly, the questions are also in Japanese. And we might have time today to actually do that. But in any case, tell me honestly, because I don't know who's going to write. I don't know who wrote what. You can speak honestly about what you think was good or what you think was bad. Finally, you have your reflection, number 13, this week. Watch the video, respond to the question, take a picture of what you wrote, and send it up to Moodle. Okay. If you ever have any questions about anything, you can contact me at jdmcruise@gmail.com. Otherwise, have a good class, everyone.